Welcome to part 1 in our Pinch Pot Bobblehead series. In part 1, we create our sketch. Welcome to Stecker Studios. Today we're planning out our bobblehead. It should be about 4 to 6 inches tall and have two main body parts, a body and a head. Considering that this is going to be made from a pinch pot, we're going to start off with a bell shape for the body. With a basic pinch pot shape for the body, I'm adding an oval shape for the head. And the head is actually going to be about 1/3 scale for the total size. So under the head there's going to be a long neck for the head to bobble on. We don't really have to worry about drawing that, but we want to just be aware. So we have the basic shape of our pinch pot bobblehead. Now it's time to start adding some details. This bobblehead is going to be a panda bear, so I'm going to begin adding some features for a panda bear face. The criteria for this project requires that we sculpt the features of the face. So far we have an eye, nose, and mouth. And for the ears, we'll just draw two little curved lines over the top. For this bobblehead, I'm going to draw our panda seated, so I'm adding some curved legs here on the side. We'll make these later on with some coils. Kind of looks like our panda is just relaxing and having a rest. And we'll place the arms in a similar way across his belly. And we'll make these in a similar way as well with some coils. We'll be adding some fur texture later, so I'll try to sketch a little bit of that in now. Some little lines here and there just to kind of show the fur. For my second sketch, I'm going to create a sports figure, and I'm going to start this the same way with a basic pinch pot shape or bell shape for the body. I'm going to start adding my details over top. I'm going to be making this one into Mike Richter, former goalie for the New York Rangers, Stanley Cup winner. So on top of my basic body shape, I'm drawing the goalie's pads, the blocker glove, catching glove, and the pads. And on top, I'm going to start building up the head in the shape of a goalie mask. Now, if I was to choose a sports figure or this goalie in particular, I would still begin my pinch pot in a very similar way and start to build all the pieces on top of it. I would think about what parts do I need. I need to add arms. I'm going to need to add gloves to this one. I'm going to need to add goalie pads, but most of the stuff will just be stacked right on top of a normal pinch pot. For the head, I would think about what does the face look like, or in this case the helmet, and I would sculpt the helmet and add the details in along the way. And this is how I can create an effective sports figurine bobblehead from a pinch pot. And lastly, we'll just be adding in the goalie stick. Here's some final details on the goalie pads. And of course, the New York Rangers sweater. That's it for now. In the next episode, we'll start building. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.